since they are not on the exact 25 increment, so we would like to put plus minus on the dimension. So how can we do this? So let's select the dimensions, type MO for properties, and then look for the text, and then look for the text override. So plus minus is percent %P, and then what, put open and close, enter. So now we have plus and minus. Now since they are all equal, for example, we would like to put equal under these numbers on the denominator. So let's select, go to text override, let's just add backslash and then X for the value, and then space, and then equal, and enter. Now you have an equal value.